You have plans.
Like I love you.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Now. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat on your fix, I destroy and neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Now. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur, best believe if you are Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Did you and Liz just say I'm abusive?
You are.
I'm abusive.
Very abusive. I mean, I've never seen a woman this abusive as you.
Pinda, am I abusive?
Vuma.
Thank you, Pinda.
Angazi yini efuna kulisa ngoba nama ngitholanga. Okay, so
Hi guys. Hello. How are you? Guys, can I please ask you a couple of questions? I do couples quizzes. Guys, it's just a couple of questions. Would you guys mind?
For me, I do mind.
You mind?
Angifuni yabo kuzoba so we're going somewhere and we're in a hurry. Because I promised her that today I want to spend a day with her.
Just 5 minutes. I'll ask you guys 3 questions each.
Manje baby yavuma ke basibuza imibuzo kodwa mina bengithi sabe nje.
Yeah, yes, ngiyavuma ukuthi besibuza umbuzo.
Hawu awazi nokuthi bazosibuza ngani nje.
Aibo, questions about your relationship must. Are you hiding her?
Nje bengasibuza akunankinga yabo.
Hawu mina nginayo. Angithi baby like namhlanje ngifuna ukuba nawe sithandwa sami.
Uyakufihla lo. Uyakufihla.
Hawu sithandwa sami like ungakufihla. Ngithanda kangaka kodwa mama.
Dude, it's just 2 questions each and then you guys can go. About your relationship, where did you meet? You know?
Okay.
But you look scared. What are you so scared of?
No, I'm not scared. I was just that moment of my happiness, you just ruin it now by stopping me and wanting to ask question about me and her. While I know that I'm not cheating on her. You see, that's
Why are you talking about cheating? Who said anything about cheating?
No, because you said about our relationship. So our relationship is fine. We don't need any disturbance or.
I'm not disturbing you guys. Hey, Sissy, are you willing? Please convince your man.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, it's fine then. And I'm giving you 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
5 minutes only.
Okay, fine. Well, your man is strict. Indoda yakho is strict. Come closer for me, guys, ne? Hey, say I'll count myself down. On my left, ma'am. On my right, ne? Yo, strict. Name?
I'm Anton.
And Anthony. Anthony.
Yes.
Which one? Anthony.
Anthony.
Okay, and?
Snobuhle.
Snoguhle, how long have you been with Anthony?
6 years.
6 years?
Yeah.
Anthony, niyajola na sana. Tunu amchati go.
Yes, you know.
But you guys look young. Shame, you're not ready, ne?
You know, minus plus.
Minus. Huh?
Older nyana plus. Yabona mases at my age. If not.
Yes, I get you.
Yeah.
Yeah, paya, near plan. Okay,
But
wait.
not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Okay, where did you guys meet?
Oh, la Lokuzan, Emapetli.
Emapetla.
Yes.
Is that Emapetla more?
Yes.
Where is that in Soweto? Oh, wow. Okay, nice.
Yes.
Okay. Girl, you said your name is?
Snobuhle.
Snobuhle.
Yes.
Okay, how long have... Oh, Snobuhle, not Snobuhle.
Snobuhle.
Oh, okay. Okay, what is it that you like about your man?
Uyangijolela uyangijithela but abusively. Yo.
You are so funny. Okay. Uyakujolela, uyakujithela.
Yes.
How do you know? Uyazalaphi?
So nginokumbamba sometimes. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, really. Like komoli, stradini sometimes. Nginokumbamba.
Umbamba xa kutheni uyamlandela?
No, nokufonelwa ishomi zami sometimes.
Zithi indoda yakho ilapha iyachitha.
Indoda yakho sihlangane nayo lana. Ihamba nentombazana.
Hayibo, ngikutshelile nje abangani bami laba uyangazi
Une friends ezingamantombazana?
No, kade waqala lokho vele wena ungibhayizisa vele nje. Unini waqala vele. Yo. Kade ungisuthela ni. So nje ngikhathele wena vele angisakufuni. khathele
Ayikuphi.
yadisappear manje.
Kanjani ngithi ngiyakhipha mfethu besivumelane ngathi ukuthi namhlanje sospend usuku sonke.
Ayisekho-ke leyo nto manje iphelile. Iphelile leyo nto ayisekho.
Namuhla nje ulahle indoda yakho ntombi. Ilahlalani indoda yakho because you don't have proof that it's cheating.
Unabo ufakazi?
Yeah, nginabo ufakazi. Sukwenza ngathi awazi, sukwenza ngathi awuyazi.
They told you that they saw me where and where, but there's no proof.
Okay, do you want to ulanda
proof yalokho mina.
Ivumana phi proof? From friends?
Ngifumela kwi-friends and ngakutshela ama-message akho, ngakukhombisa ama-message manje. Nginokupheja ifoni yakho angithi ngiyayipheja ifoni yakho ngisathule.
So wena uvula ifoni yami wena. So wena uvula ifoni yami. Which one have permission? Yokuvula ifoni yami.
Hayi ngiyathanda phela.
Khamnike ke ifoni yakho, ufuna umnike ifoni yakho.
Hayi.
Mnike kaloku just to prove.
Yami phela uneyakhe nami ngineyami.
Mnike kaloku just to show her that you're not cheating.
Yabona.
Uyabona ukuthi uqinisile, i-serious lento lento.
Ufihle into,
ufihlelani vele.
Then let's see your phone. Let's see your phone. But the phone, are you hiding anything?
Hayi cha, I'm hiding.
Sitali phone just to prove to your woman at least.
But my phone is right. I don't have secret. I don't do
Okay,
secret.
prove to us that you don't have secrets, my skati.
So ngivula
Sicela uyivule. Sicela uyivule. Tizayibamba. Okay. In case you guys break up, at least hug your man. It might be the last hug. Just make sure it doesn't look Lamin. Hug each other kaloku. Just in case it might be the last.
Awu mama kanjani? Awu akunalast kodwa nkosi wena ngihamba nawo awu.
Okay.
Ngenze nje kanjani?
Okay. My Scott, would you mind showing him your phone?
Oh, for me.
But masiqale ngeyakhe ne. Okay. Okay, iya ku WhatsApp. Okay, search ne. Okay, type love you. Okay, bona ndoni?
Yo, yes. Angibona ama-message egirl lana usendile.
Okay, ngena kule message. Thandi. Okay. Scroll through ne.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey Anthony. Uthandi sibona izinto apha.
Hayi no.
Kubani uthandi? Uthandi ngikazi wakho.
Unamanga wayiqamba amanga.
Hayi, she's my cousin. Like ngakutshela.
No, uqamba amanga. I-girlfriend yakho leyo njalo uhlala ungitshala ngothandi. No.
Yilo bengithi ngizomvakashisa uzombona nawe.
Nyana umbona okay.
Unamanga uzombona no. Yashitha nalo muntu
Ikhona into eyenzekayo. Sibona izinto apha. Awufuna umfonela? Masimfonele.
Ya, ngona ngimfonele ngona.
Hey Mike.
Usisi wami nje ngiyakutshela.
Cousin ngusisi wakho or what's happening?
Angithi like cousin to sister and we are like a cousin is a sister.
Okay.
Uqamba amanga sawuqamba amanga lento awusaqala ukuyenza vele. No.
Uzombona.
Unamanga.
I was planning ukuthi
And awusayiqali lento lena vele nje.
Yeah.
Into nje uhlala uyenza vele.
Kanjani?
Sebusuku niyafonelana vele. Unokungena etoilet nifonelana. Serious ngempela. Ngithulile nje.
Hello, can I please speak to Thandi?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, hello, girl.
Hello.
Yeah. Oh.
Yamazi
Anthony.
Yebo ngiyamazi.
Yeah, umazi laphi?
Uyi-boyfriend yami.
Yo. Eish. All right, okay. Ngiyabonga. So, uyabona ke no uqinisile vele bese ngazi mina vele ngine information vele yalokho vele bese ngazi vele uqinisile vele ngiyaqamba amanga nami vele ngine information
usisi wami
Usisi wakho.
No ayikho leyo nto leyo wayiqamba amanga so why no ayikho leyo nto leyo
ngicabanga namhlanje ngiluzile ukuthi ngiyemsebenzini ngakhetha ukuthi ngicele i-sick day
uluzele yena phela khona nizobonana vele uqambelana amanga
yabona into ebengayifuna ukuthi
ngoba usungibona ngistradi
abana ngento engekho nakhona.
What do you mean ayikho? You just called Thandi says you boyfriend yakhe.
Maybe she's I don't know crazy or something.
What do you mean?
Maybe she's crazy.
You
or
are up,
something.
Hayi namanga
Open your phone.
ngiyakuyeka namhlanje.
Vula ifoni my skat.
Ayithele lento yethu.
So uyamlahla.
Hayi ngiyagive up.
Okay.
Ngiyagive up.
Okay, skat vula ifoni.
Leyo ndawo.
So jonge yakho.
Wena umuntu ochicha futhi awuthi awuyivuki.
Musuqamba amanga. No way, musuqamba amanga. Uqambelana amanga. Why uqamba amanga? Uqamba amanga. Hawu.
Okay, thank you, skat. Okay, go to her WhatsApp now.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Search. Type love you.
Yeah.
Okay, Ubona, what do you see?
Oh, it's me.
Nice. Okay, delete that.
Okay.
Type miss you. Okay, Ubona Ndoni.
Oh, it's me and her mom and her friends, yeah.
Okay. Type last night.
Last night.
Okay, what? Do you see?
It's me.
Nice. Okay, delete that. Type Ageko. What do you see?
It's me again.
Nice. Okay, delete. Type Woza.
Oh, yeah. It's her. Brazilian namhlanje when I was calling her to come. Njengoba besihamba ngisho.
Oh, okay. Okay, delete that. Type morning after pill.
Morning after pill. Okay, yeah.
What do
It's
you
me
see?
again.
Yo. Okay, delete that. Type babe.
Babe.
What do you see?
It's me.
You. Okay, delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors.
Oh. Paul and her friends.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type pregnant. Oh, clean. I give your woman her phone, please, sir. So guys, nizokwenza njani ke ngoku uyachita? You saw proof uzawuthini uthe uyamyeka ne?
Hayi mina ngiyamyeka vele. Hayi ngikhathele uyena vele kade ayiqala lento leyo.
Mara,
Hayi ke.
like we are going somewhere. Like
no, angifuni
like
ukuthi
I have plans for you
don't touch me,
today. Like I have plans
No,
for you.
You have
angithandi,
plans.
Yo,
Like
angithandi,
like I love
yo.
you. Like
Oh, do you?
Sihlukane,
You do.
like
Kade
like for
wayiqala
real. No,
lento,
it's my it's, that one.
Angisaqoleni manje, angisenalo iqolo,
Okay,
kade
I admit.
ngayiqola.
Okay, I admit.
You
I
admit.
was cheating, ne?
Okay.
Ngikhathele wena no,
but ever since I
angifuni
met
ukuzwa
you,
lutho
but
ngawe
ever
ngoba
since I met
unamanga.
you, I was
Angifuni ukuzwa
serious.
lutho
Like,
ngawe.
you're the
Ngikhathele
first and
wena
last to
so.
me.
Like,
Like,
Ooh,
serious.
first and last,
First and
son.
last.
No, asihlukane.
Okay.
No, but baby, like no, like baby, I like yo.
Dlamini?
Yabona my sister, you see what you ungabanisa no baby.
Miyeka kafundi. You can go my skirt ne?
Baby.
Ungahamba my skirt.
Angangibambi intombi yami le, intombi yami le.
You?
Baby, love, my
Please calm
Baby.
down. Calm down.
Esibali.
Uchitile mos. It's fine. Iyakuthanda.
No.
It's okay.
Like mina
Iyakuthanda.
ngiyamthanda ne
Uyamthanda?
umuntu wami lo. Yeah, ngiyamthanda.
Uchiteleni if yamthanda? Why did you cheat?
No, like okay, ngishithe kayi-1. It was an honest mistake.
Honest mistake.
Yeah, and I
But
admitted it
uthandi
at last.
niyadate nje na?
No, like I'm not dating. Lawyer like bekuyi side chick for a moment.
So you've been cheating. Didn't cheat once, you've been cheating.
No, it happens, yeah, maybe twice or thrice a day, but only. Ever since.
You are Anthony, you can go my skirt.
Yo, baby!
Iyangixola futhi. Afundekela.
Yeah, my first and last. My first and last.
Oh, Dlams.
First and last. Bengilive namhlanje kuseni ne. Athi lo sisi lo Dlamini. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngami. Ngathi ningithakathile ningelisa. Ayikho episode edlulayo nginganibhekile.
Are you serious?
Especially at the end of the episode.
So people actually like our conversations at the end.
Ngiyangibusisa you guys.
Wow.
umlungu shuthi kumele asibhadele end of the episode.
Yeah, actually extra.
Yeah, kumele asifakele extra
Yeah.
end of the episode sazi ukuthi
Actually, he hasn't. I'll ask
uzawuthetha
him.
naye ne. I know you sana ke.
Should I call him?
After a year. We
Let's
want-
actually call him.
Okay. Yeah, yabo. Call
Do you
him.
think he's gonna answer?
Even though he's driving uzophenduka.
What are we asking for?
A raise here after episode.
Hmm?
A raise for after episode.
Okay, fine. What if he doesn't answer?
People are enjoying our after episode chats.
Mm.
So we'll do something for us. Otherwise,
Lily? Lee? How are you? We good. Dlamini and I would like a raise, please.
Why random?
How is it random? It's never random where our money is concerned.
Oh, I see. You guys are recording.
Are you gonna give us a raise or not? Especially for the end of the episode, because people love it.
You guys are recording.
Are you gonna give us a raise or not?
You know, I don't know what to say because I'm like what? Like just you know what? I'm glad that they actually called me. Someone said, oh, it's Liz Pinchy. We also saw Lisa. We had Lisa also saying she's also leaving.
I said I'm leaving.
Yeah, someone said that. I sent you that screenshot.
Anyway, stop changing the subject. Are you gonna give us a raise or not?
So you are threatening people that you're gonna leave. Hey.
look at twist talent.
Wethu
Sicela raise.
lehlohonolo malaji. Sayifumana le raise okanye siyifumani bhuti man please.
Guys, you must be professional and go to a boardroom and ask for a meeting. Send me an email, and then we go to a boardroom and then we talk.
Okay, fine. We'll do that. We'll follow the proper channels.
Thank you, Mrs. Sharan.
Okay, we shall commence after this episode.
Pass my warm greet.
That's not how you end an email. It's warm regards. Bye. Oh, it's changing the subject.
You warm regards.
Yes, or kind regards.
Email le.
Yes. Anyway, Dams, do you think I'm a gold digger?
You are. I don't think you are. That one I don't.
That's
even-
so
I don't
mean.
need to think about you are.
That's so rude.
No, that's truth. That is the truth. You are. If you could, you are very. You honestly speaking, this you are.
I also
don't
think
lie.
shame.
You
I
are.
also think I'm a gold digger. I do.
You are.
Yeah.
Let's
But
not
I'm a good woman, but I'm a gold digger. People like to think just because you're a gold digger, you're not a good woman.
As for being good, I don't know. As for gold digger, I know.
I mean, you've known me for a long time. Am I not a good woman?
Honestly speaking. Honestly speaking. No, honestly, you are.
Thank
A
you.
gold digger, you are food.
Yes.
Yo.
But when you go a gold digger, people think you're a
I
horrible
think abantu
person.
banaleyo nto leyo ukuthi vele gold diggers are just.
A horrible
Yeah.
people.
But she's not.
Like I'm a good person.
Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu bazocabanga ukuthi Dlamini yamkhulumela ngoba ufuna ukuthola lento afuna ukuyithola, but no, angikho la leyo ngizoyithola despite anything ngizoyithola leyo. At the end
Wow.
of the day ngizoyithola, but yena she's a good woman. I don't wanna lie, she is. I-gold digger right. Yeah, no gold digger.
Have you ever thought you'd say those words in your life? The gold digger, right?
Yeah, I gold digger, right.
You gold digger
Yeah,
lungileyo.
digger kahle.
Yes.
She digs with dignity.
Oh, why is this person?
Unesithunzi
yeah,
se-digger.
man, yeah.
That doesn't dig nje,
Yes, yeah. That's I think that's the best way to describe it. Yes, yeah.
Yeah, I know she.
Yeah.
Bakithi.
So no,
Ungamthathi
man.
kabi.
Yeah,
Le nhlobo yomuntu ayazi into ayifunayo.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. No singavala nedlams.
Shuthi siyayistop indaba yama after chat until kube ne raise.
Yes. I think since all hlobo ne.
Yeah, si-stop until sithole i-raise.
Which is ke ngoku nika sigodi go nje draftela email.
Yes.
Ndiyodrafta la nangu
nangu phinda nangu mlungu
nangu it's fine masivale iraise yona sizoyifumana
yazi asami
khikada buya ubuyelana lesi usikaphi ubizwa ngiba
iyamudla lento iraise
ubizwa ngiba
Dlamini,
mlungu
why
uzowuthini
are you allowing Lisa to talk to me like that? I'm gonna spill that.
I always talk to you like
I'm gonna
you
spill
bought
that.
me the drink.
Mlungu.
I just arrived in now.
Mlungu.
I don't
So
know
who
what you're
bought me
talking
the
about.
drink?
Dlamini.
Mlungu, people are enjoying our after chats after every episode.
I noticed.
Yeah, they are enjoying them.
I
so-
noticed because you guys are flirting.
So
That's why I can't flirt.
It's because it's who we are. No, it's not because you can't flirt. You just you Lee and you're a bit dry.
No.
Me and Dlamini, we're fun
No.
people.
yes, I agree with you.
My flirting game is too much. It will end.
Lee, if you were to try the conversations we try at the end of the chats, no one would enjoy it. This is our thing.
This is our thing.
We've got flair to this
We
thing.
have flair. We've got flair.
Okay.
So
We've got suave.
that's why people have asked ukuthi umlungu must do something about
Yes.
After chats, ne?
Yes.
asifakele something.
After chats. Oh, I see. After chats, like okay, after an
Kumele kube-
episode,
kumele-
do I take you
Yes.
guys on a date?
No,
No, asifuni ukutya. I've got food at home.
no.
I've got
must-
good.
one day-
Funi
one
mali.
day-
We want Mandela.
One day,
We want Mandela.
Yes.
one day I must book B&B for you guys.
No,
far away
andifuni ubhukhelwa, andifuni
from
imali.
Joburg.
I don't want to
No,
get
no,
booked.
no,
I want
this-
money.
Ngibona ukuthi amachat wenu kahle kahle azophelela laphi.
No, ndifuna imali.
Imali sana hii.
Ufuna imali?
Yeah.
Okay.
Usivile?
Yeah, but you know guys, ne?
Usivile
These
na.
guys. Okay, let me not say these guys. Ulisa uphuza Savannah and then umphone la ufuna iraise. Ikhona into enjalo like
What do you mean I'm drinking Savannah and I'm asking you for a raise? What does the two have to do with each other?
Mlungu cela usifakele raise ama after chats.
How are they
I need
correlated?
to watch ama-after chats wenu ngizokubona ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Please mlungu iraise ama after chats. And abantu bazokwata uma ungasifakile.
Because then we're going to stop the after chats. Ufana walijonga ndifuna imali.
Athi ufana wangijonga.
Ka usuka kwishukulato zethu sizocima ishow.
Okay, bye-bye, ne?
Ihagi 500
I
rand.
won't touch your makeup.
Yo.
I won't touch your makeup.
Ihagi 500 rand.
I won't touch your
Ihagi
makeup.
500 rand.
Uqabule ehlathini kwakuyi 300 kiki 500. Yo, Lisa.
Lee,
Imali.
let's chill. I'm a gold digger that digs with dignity.
Yeah, you and money
Awuphumile kwishot yethu sivala ne?
yeah, samba.
We meant what we said, Lily.
Yes.
Anyway, are you gonna hug me are you gonna give me the 500 rand first? And then hug me.
Imali phambili.
Imali phambili bafazi pa. Let's just hope for the best.
Let's hope for the best.
Anyway, guys, we can wrap now.
Yes, yes.
Guys, ufuna uthatha Dlamini?
Dude.
Okay, that's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Facebook, Lisa Sirame.
Instagram welcome _Dlamini W8. TikTok it's welcome Dlamini. Facebook it's welcome Dlamini. Raise after raise. It's coming.
Danko!
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.